Welcome, my dear students. In the last lecture, we discussed about Python MySQL connectivity programs using select statement. Okay, we are displaying values from table that is already existing. So, in this lecture, I am showing how to insert values to the table. But also, I am showing the table and database is already existing. So how to insert values into the table? So we already studied how to insert data into the table. Insert into table name, values, give the corresponding values. This way we are doing. So here I am using the table name as student and database name is class. So these two are already existing in our database. Okay, and these are the fields in the table: roll number, name, mark, department, and age. So write our usual query and do the program. I'm showing. So these are the steps common to all programs. First, import mysql.connector. Then use connect method. Here you have to do one thing. Already database name is given. So give the databases class. Normally in SQL we are using use database name. Then only we are inserting or creating it. So here already database is given. So here give the database name. So we are using class database. Checking the connection. Then create cursor. Okay. Then what we are doing? Insert values into the table. So here the values given. I am just copying this one. So what we are doing? Just insert values into the table. For giving SQL query, we are using execute function. Then give the query. Okay. Inserting the student, give the values, then close the bracket. So after inserting, we need to confirm whether it is all inserted in our table or not. For that, we are using the statement select star from student. Then you can use any method fetch all or fetch all. Retrieve all the records in the database in the table. Okay. So run your program. Okay. Inserting new student values. Okay. Then run the module. Okay. It will show the result. It will retrieve all the tables. So the last updated one is also last inserted table is also inserted in our table. Okay. This way we are inserting data in the table. Another one thing, if you want to insert some values and that must be permanently saved in the database. If you want to do it permanently, then we study one command called commit. Commit is a SQL command used to make permanent changes in the database. So you have to do mysql dot commit. Okay, then only it is saved permanently in the database. Okay. This way we are inserting values into the table. Suppose you are inserting values that accept from the user, then how can we insert? Here we are directly giving values, and if you are accepting values from the user and you want to insert that particular values into the table. For example, these are the values we already get from the user. Okay. Then what you have to do is insert into student. How many fields are there? 5 fields. Bracket you give 5 curly brackets. Each represent each field. First one represent roll number. Second represent name. So name is a character type. So to identify it is a character type, you have to give quotes here. Okay. Then again mark. Then department. Department is also a character type. So give quotes before and after curly bracket. Okay. The next page. After closing double quotes, use the method format. Okay. Format. Then give the values. So these are the values R and M D A. R corresponds to 11, N, K, K, K. Okay. So give the values. Why I am showing like this? Normally if you are accepting from the user, we are giving some variable names. So represent the variable names. I am showing an example for you. So instead of this I am writing. So after creating the connection and creating the first object, I am accepting values from the user. So I am using R for accepting roll number. I am giving int enter roll number. Then next one is name. So I am giving n equal to int. Then have to give input. Okay. Then next one giving input enter name. Then next one mark. For that I am using the variable m. Input is an integer type, so give int input enter mark. Okay. Then again department. So I am giving the variable name d int input enter department. Okay. Then last one mark. Age. So I am giving a int input enter age. So this way I am accepting values from the user. After getting this value, we are using insert query. Insert into student values. Here we are specifying curly bracket. So first curly bracket we are used for roll number. Then next one for name. Then mark. Then department. Then age. After that, close this quotes dot format. Write the variable R N then M D comma A. Okay. So this way we have to give the query. So save your program and run the module. Okay, invalid syntax twice and the roll number. So okay, here 2 brackets are there. That's okay. Run your module. Okay, it shows enter roll number. So you have to give 11 name. I am giving LL then mark 45 department computer, then I am giving age 90. Okay, then that value will be updated. So this way you can insert values into the database from user. For that purpose, just give a curly bracket that represent each fields, then use the method dot. I think you will be clear about this, how to insert values into the table. Okay. So this way we are inserting values into the table. So in a particular program we can write all these things. So it will be helpful for writing for doing your projects. Okay, thank you.